What's up, y'all? I'm Aviana Zurin, and in today's episode, we are in Biloxi, Mississippi. The agenda for the day is that we're gonna be meeting the Gulf Coast riders. They have a river ride, a bay ride planned today. So we're gonna be joining in. There's like about 8 of us, 9 of us that are not from this area that came over here to hang out. But another thing is, if you did not see the video from yesterday where we were doing island hopping in this area, go ahead and check it out. The link will be right here on top of the screen. And I know a lot of you will ask about this boat launch. This boat launch is nice. Docking is pretty nice, and there's a lot of parking here. It's right across from Treasure Bay Casino. I'll put the link down below in the video description. All right, let me go ahead and launch this baby in and get going. So we're all in the water now, but one person forgot their life vest. But it's okay. Our daughter's bringing it right now, and then we're heading over. You ready, Karina?
Ready as can be.
All right, so we only need to go about 4.2 miles over there, right over there to Deer Island to meet the rest of everybody. And the meetup's supposed to be at 11 o'clock. So we got 9 minutes to be there. Just kidding. They're not gonna leave probably soon. Everybody's just meeting up there. All right, let's go. Yes, it's pretty cool. This is the Keesler landing strip. I don't know if you can see it. The eclipse is happening. Look. There you go. Hey. y'all, so we just finished up at Flamingos, and the food and the drinks are amazing here, and the vibes are pretty good here. A lot of space for seating, great docks for docking up. It's plastic, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your PWC or boat, but they do prefer all PWCs to be over here on the beach area, but it's perfect. I don't see any debris in the water or pylons underneath the water that you can't see that you can scratch up your skis. So hey, it's better to beach it, I guess. All right, let's go. We're gonna be heading down the river some more, and we're out to go. All right. Place. What is that? Pirates? What does that say? Oh, it says Pier 15. I don't know where I got Pirates from. That looks like a cool spot also, but it doesn't look open. Huh? One of the three what? Bars? Oh, okay. Is it open? No, that's her.
Oh, that's her.
I love Salinas! Yeah, so if y'all ever want to ride or anything in the Mississippi area, hit this guy up. He's on Facebook, Kevin Wagner, and he'll, this is a good time around here, especially if you like bar hopping, or not even just bar hopping, but just island hopping and riding the bayous, right? There's river and bayous. Right. Started getting a little choppy, but it's okay. It's not too bad. We're at the boat ramp right now. Time to load the skis, head to the RV resort, and take a quick shower and get ready for the barbecue.